What's up, squad? It's your boy Knockout 360 here. So I got a little different one here, man. We've got issues with the baby. Look at the baby. We got issues. So you're wondering, well, what's the issue, Dante? Talk to me. Talk to your boy. What's going on? That's what's going on right there. We got issues. So if you know anything about my previous videos about this particular issue, you know that I've had some problems with the headlights recently. I just changed out the headlights not too long ago. I actually just changed out the headlights maybe 3 months ago. I showed you guys that video, like a nighttime driving video. I would get out there, but it's raining like shit. But just look at it. Oh my God. That's painful. But yeah, so I just changed out my headlights like about 4 months ago, right, basically. And so the last time I was having these issues, what it was a blown fuse and blown headlight bulb. So needless to say, those were the only headlights that I've had in the car at the time. They were stock. So it was time to change it. I've had this car going on 3 years now, so rest assured it was time to change them. So I went ahead, well, I did get a haircut. I know you guys are probably looking at that. Leave your boy alone, man. Just stop it. Stop it. But I went ahead, changed out the headlights. I told you guys what headlights that I got. Changed those out. And fast forward 4 or 5 months to now, and I'm having the same issue. I checked the fuse. The fuses are good. I switched the fuses from the left to the right headlight socket or whatever. No issues there. The bulb itself can't be blown. I'm going to take it to my man Chris. You've seen him in my videos. He drives the Scat Pack Challenger. The black one, I'm going to take it to his place later on the day and see what's good, man. But help your boy out. Have you seen issues like this before? Is it electrical? Is it something bigger than what I'm seeing here? Nothing else in the car. I'm having no issues whatsoever in the car aside from that left headlight bulb. And that's the one that was giving us issues in the past. And like I said, we had a blown fuse and a blown bulb. And I replaced the fuse and I replaced the headlights, and up to now everything was good. Having issues again. At this point that bulb won't even turn on. There used to be a time where it would flick on, and then when I would turn the car off it may not come on. Then I would have to kind of switch the light modes and get them to basically come on that way. At this point it won't come on at all, so I'm assuming it's dead. If it is a blown headlight bulb, I mean, is that natural? I mean, I've had these bulbs in there for going on 4 months at this point, maybe 5 at the max. That's ridiculous. I mean, talk to your boy. Have you seen this before? Is it electrical issues? I've checked the fuse. The fuses are good. The only thing I haven't checked is the relay. The relay under the hood for the headlights. That could be the issue. We do have, if you know anything about your car, you know for a fact that we do have spare relays for our cars. And that's something that I'm going to have to look into, and I'll probably end up looking into that later on today with my man Chris. I'll take you guys with me. But have you guys seen issues like that? And if you have, how did you resolve it? Talk to your boy. I don't want to take it to Dodge, because Dodge is going to charge you $114 just to get your car in the shop, and then whatever it takes to replace whatever part that's broken on top of that, right? So that's not even an option at this point. I'd much rather, well, I'm not going to say that's not an option, but at the same time, that's not the first option that I'm willing to go. I want to go the cheapest route. But with that being said, talk to your boy, man. I'm not sure if I'm going to end this video right now or if I'm going to take you guys with me when we go see Chris. But talk to your boy, man. Have you seen this issue before? What's going on? Everything under the hood is perfectly fine except for that left fucking headlight bulb. Talk to your boy. See you in a little bit. Peace. All right, guys, you have to forgive me for the lack of quality here, but it is nighttime. So as you can see, everything looks to be in good shape. The fuses are perfectly fine. Get that out the way. I just checked. I'm not going to pull them out again because it is raining. I don't want to risk anything here. It could be the delay. I'm not sure, but when I unlock it, only one comes on. Look down there. Right there. Yep, everything's connected. I'll probably end up having to take out the air box here, take a closer look at it. It can't be a blown bulb. I mean, I just bought these bulbs like 4 months ago, and they have thus far been good. And then out of nowhere, it started doing the exact same thing as it did before. So You never know. But if you guys have seen this before, let your boy know. Let me know what to do, or like I said, the fog lights work perfectly, daytime running lights perfectly, just that one bulb is shot. See? One bulb is shot. So let your boy know. What can I do here? Like I said, one comes on, the other one, nothing at all. And that's just water on the outside. That's condensation on the outside, not the inside. So it's not that. Talk to your boy. I'm going to go ahead and get out of here, man. It's raining like hell. Take it easy. See you in the next one. Peace.